Hey, what's up guys, Matt here. Today I'll be going through the Inflight March 2018 new releases. I'm on EasyToys website, as I usually am, and we'll head to the Inflight 200 section. And also to let you know, right now I'll be doing the JT Wings new release coming up straight after. So if you're interested in that, tune into that. So we'll start with the Air Concorde. So this is a fantasy model. Registration is EPSST, and well, looks fantastic. I mean, Concorde looks fantastic in any livery. Oh, by the way, I'm using a new microphone I finally got because a few months ago my other one stuffed up, which was basically brand new. Don't know why. It's a pretty good brand as well, but new microphone, different brand, and let me know what you think if it sounds alright. I mean, I'll probably have to adjust some settings anyway. National 747-400, registration is N952CA. Very good looking aircraft. Expo 2020 Dubai. Emirates have that on their aircraft as well. I'll think about getting this one because it actually looks pretty good, and I'd always thought about getting a national aircraft, and I really like that livery. Next is the Flying Tigers DC-8-63F jumbo jet scheme, coarse polished fuselage, as well as it was back then, and especially Flying Tigers. N779FT, and this is a fantastic looking aircraft. As soon as I saw this, I thought, oh, I haven't got DC-8 in my collection yet. I really like Air New Zealand because Air New Zealand used to operate both cargo and passenger DC-8s, but I'm gonna think about this one because I know Flying Tigers was quite iconic during its time, and I quite like that aircraft. Southwest 737 MAX 8 N8717M is the registration number. This is the 10,000th Boeing 737 built, of course, like about a month ago. Spirit Aerosystems delivered the fuselage, and it rolled out maybe week and a half ago, around then. I'm not exactly too sure on the date, but this looks fantastic. I already have, no, actually I don't have one yet. I can't remember if it was released and I already ordered one of this. Maybe I did, maybe I didn't. I think I did. It would have been this one. Yeah, Max 8. I think that's the one I already ordered. And I prefer Gemini jets anyway because I know their mold is very good and it's, you know, highly trusted. Lot Polish 737 MAX 8 SPLVA is the registration number. Again, very good looking aircraft. 737 Maxes are stunning aircraft, but I won't get this one just for the fact I don't really need it. United 737-200 N9038U. Very good looking scheme, this one, the Polish belly. Very nice. Won't be getting it. I do have a couple of 737-200s. Well, I have one, I have another one on the way. One NAC, one Air New Zealand, back when they were operating for them. But there's not really any first generation 737s that I want anymore, or classics as they call them. Oh, I think so, yeah. Anyway, American 737-200 N727AA, very appropriate registration number. Of course, polished because that's as it was, and looks awesome. So cool to see another tri-jet release. Vietnam Airlines A350-900 in the SkyTeam livery. This was the first airline to paint a SkyTeam livery on the A350, I believe. And this was only just done not so long ago, so that's why this was released. Pretty cool. I have the Gemini Jets version in just Vietnam standard livery, so I really don't need this one. Registration, by the way, is VNA897. Jet 2 A330-200. Registration is GVYGL. And this is their old livery, I think. Hopefully I'm right. I can't remember if they still operate these or not. They probably don't. No, they operate, if they still operate 757s, but they operate a bunch of 737s. CSA, Czech Airlines, A320. You don't hear much about CSA anymore. I actually don't know if they're still around, because I haven't heard about them in so long. OKLEE. Pretty good. And last one is the Qatar A350-900, registration number A7ALZ. One world livery. Don't really need this one. Already have I would consider too many Qatar A350s now. So I really don't need another one unless there's an A350-1000 release, which I may consider. But yeah, other than that, it looks, still looks pretty good. Just for me, I don't think the one world titles really go too well with the with Qatar's livery, and it doesn't look right when Qatar's the fuselage is white compared to the tail and the engines and the winglet and such. But anyway, this is going to be it for this model release. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. There's some very cool models in this release, so I'll definitely think about getting the Flying Tigers DC-8 and the National 747. But other than that, nothing really takes my interest too much, at least not to the point where I would probably consider getting it. But yeah, if you did enjoy, please leave a like, a comment, tell me what you think of this release, tell me which models you're going to get, subscribe for more, and of course, because that JC Wings video is coming up next, and I did have a review planned for today, but when I saw JC Wings had made a release, I canned it. It's canned till tomorrow, so you'll see that up tomorrow. And especially take a look at my Instagram, whatever, because soon I'll be putting up some photos of a display today that I went to, which is our Royal New Zealand Air Force Black Falcons. The Texans did a 15-minute display over one of the beaches in Auckland, leading up to the air show down in Wanaka. And so yeah, there's going to be pictures of that up there somewhere. So also make sure you check that out. Links are in the description, of course. And share this video as well so other people know about these models and see if they want to get any of them. And after all that said, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.